Let's take a look at the board right now. This time we're supposed to find the derivative of a difference. Someone is going to say, so which formula I'm going to use? Don't forget that this expression, right, or this function we can write like 6 plus negative x. This is the same thing, right? So this is like addition, right? It's like a sum. So which formula we are going to use? Of course, we are going to use the formula for the derivative of a sum. So I'm going to write dy over dx is equal, okay, derivative 6 minus x over dx. Okay, this is equal derivative of 6 over dx, and of course you can write plus and derivative of negative x over dx. At the beginning you are going to write positive, but later on you are going to go straight to the subtraction. But at this moment let's use this notation, and we are going to have derivative of constant, right? We said that derivative of a constant is equal always 0. So that's why I'm going to have 0, right? And this is derivative of x, okay? Derivative of x with the negative sign, I suppose, say derivative of negative x. So please keep in mind that there is always invisible 1 at front of x, okay? And there is always invisible power 1, okay? Anytime we have just simply x, there is always invisible coefficient 1, and there is always invisible power 1. So I can write this as negative 1, okay? Negative 1. Why I'm going to write negative 1? Okay, let's keep addition. So if negative 1 is my constant, next I'm supposed to multiply this by my power, which is 1, times x. Okay, we're not supposed to write this parenthesis, but we can keep this also. And we have n minus 1, my power, my invisible 1, I'm going to make visible minus 1. So let's take a look what we have. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. I have x. 1 minus 1 is equal 0. This is equal negative 1 times 1. Please keep in mind that any number besides 0 raised to power 0 is equal 1. That's why I'm going to write that x must be different than 0. Okay, so that's why I'm going to have negative 1 times 1, and everything is equal negative 1. And this is the solution to my problem.